Let's talk about clouds. Now, I'm not talking about Cloud Strife from Final Fantasy VII, but I'm talking about these massive things floating over your head. They may seem simple, but there are many things about them you might not know. I have been fascinated by clouds for a very long time, and I thought it would be a great idea to make a video series about it. So, in this mini series, we'll learn lots of things about clouds. So, to start off, we'll learn about the formation of clouds. The building blocks of clouds are water and particles such as dust or pollen. This is known as condensation nuclei. These are found everywhere in the atmosphere. Water vapor gets attracted to these, and as they ascend to the sky, the vapor condenses to form liquid water or even ice, which then results in the formation of cloud droplets. These droplets are much smaller and much lighter than raindrops. Eventually, enough water vapor gets condensed into dust, pollen, and condensation nuclei. Then it turns into cloud. So this is how clouds are formed. But is there only one way for the formation of clouds? There are many more ways in which clouds are formed. For example, heated by sunshine, the ground heats the air just above it. This warm air starts to rise because when warm air is lighter and less dense than the air around it. As it rises, its pressure and temperature drops, causing water vapor to condense and eventually form into a cloud. Some clouds are also formed when the wind blows from mountain range, such as stratus clouds. Now the wind coming towards the mountain range is known as windward side, and the opposite where wind blows away from the mountain range is called leeward side. Now this can also happen without this dramatic mountain range. Just when the air travels from the high and low slopes, it is forced to go upwards, which then repeats the cycle of water vapor and condenses and it forms into a cloud. Similarly, this can also happen where the areas have low pressure. So the air is forced to go upwards, eventually form into a cloud. So in simple terms, when there is low pressure and there is no way for air to go except up, it then repeats the cycle of water vapor and the cloud is formed. So I hope you learned how the clouds are formed in this video. We'll talk about clouds more in my next video. So thank you for watching.